So you had mentioned the retaining wall, and we did actually start that already. Not finished yet. Someone else had asked about the front porch. Yes, that is the side. This is the front porch. So, wanted to give you guys an updated full walkthrough. We've been working on some staging because we have some events coming up in October. And this is that little secondary living room. We've got building supplies in here right now. That room's fully cleaned out. We've been getting some of the furniture cleaned up. Got the staircase clear. It's looking pretty nice. Still gotta do a little bit to it, some filling in. Still got a little cleaning in here. That's a bag from the Ellis Style Shop that used to be in Ronsford. That's pretty cool too. Got the hallway clear. In this bedroom, of course, we haven't got much done in there yet. That tub. And these knobs, this cabinetry. Amazing. This bedroom turned out to be pretty good. And this bedroom turned out to be pretty good too. So yeah, that's our update, guys. We're still moving forward with some things, and we hope to update you all more next time we see you. Bye, guys.